Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience. We're talking about the CAROTE 24-piece non-stick titanium cookware set in a sleek black finish. If you're in the market for a complete overhaul of your pots and pans, or just looking to upgrade to something more durable and user-friendly, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's start with what's arguably the most crucial aspect of any non-stick cookware, the non-stick performance itself. CAROTE boasts a superior titanium non-stick coating, and in our testing, this held up remarkably well. Food release is exceptionally easy. We're talking about eggs sliding right out, pancakes flipping without a single stick, and even sticky sauces cleaning up with minimal effort. This isn't just about convenience during cooking, it significantly simplifies the cleanup process, which, let's be honest, is a chore many of us dread. The durability of this titanium coating is also a key selling point, aiming to resist scratching and wear from everyday use. Beyond the surface, the construction of these pots and pans is equally important. This set is built with reinforced die-cast aluminum. What does this mean for you in the kitchen? It means durable cookware that's designed to withstand the rigors of daily cooking. More importantly, die-cast aluminum is known for its excellent heat conductivity. CAROTE highlights rapid and uniform heat distribution, and this is a critical feature for achieving consistent cooking results. No more frustrating hot spots where your food burns in one area while remaining undercooked in another. Whether you're gently simmering a delicate sauce, bringing a pot of water to a rolling boil, or reheating leftovers, this even heating ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time. Now, let's talk about the lids. CAROTE has incorporated silicone-sealed glass lids on their pots. This might seem like a small detail, but it makes a significant difference. The silicone edge creates a tight seal, which is fantastic for trapping moisture and flavor within the pot. This means more succulent results and less evaporation. It also allows you to keep an eye on your food without having to lift the lid, preventing heat and steam from escaping, which is essential for maintaining consistent cooking temperatures. Furthermore, the added protection against chipping on the lids enhances their safety and longevity. CAROTE also stands behind their product with a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase. This provides a good level of assurance. If you encounter any quality issues within that first year, they encourage you to reach out, and they promise to work towards a satisfying solution. This commitment to customer support is always a positive sign when investing in kitchenware. However, it's crucial to understand how to best care for this cookware to maintain its performance. CAROTE strongly recommends hand washing. They advise using a neutral dish soap and avoiding harsh abrasives. This is a common recommendation for high-quality non-stick cookware, and it's essential for preventing the formation of black residue on the base, which can affect both aesthetics and performance over time. So, while the non-stick surface makes cooking and initial cleanup easy, remember that a gentle hand wash will ensure this set serves you well for years to come. Looking at the pros, the superior non-stick performance is a definite highlight, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. The durable construction with even heating is another major advantage, leading to more consistent cooking outcomes. The thoughtful design of the silicone-sealed glass lids enhances flavor and cooking control. The inclusion of a warranty adds peace of mind. On the flip side, the primary consideration for some might be the recommendation for hand washing. If you're someone who relies heavily on the dishwasher for all your kitchenware, this set will require a slight adjustment in your routine. Also, while the titanium coating is durable, like all non-stick surfaces, it will eventually degrade with improper use or extreme wear and tear, so respecting the care instructions is paramount. In conclusion, the CAROTE 24-piece non-stick titanium cookware set is a compelling option for anyone looking for a versatile, durable, and user-friendly kitchen solution. It excels in its primary functions of easy food release and even heat distribution. The well-designed lids are a welcome addition, and the warranty offers added confidence. Just be prepared to embrace a little bit of gentle hand washing to keep it in top condition. Link in the description.